Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Sorento headlight bulb. Before starting, gather your new bulb, which might be an H11 for low beam or H7 for high beam, along with a screwdriver and clean gloves. It is often wise to replace both headlight bulbs at the same time to maintain balanced illumination. This simple task can save you money and keep your vehicle safe on the road. Now, let's get started by popping open your Sorento's hood. Locate the rear of the headlight assembly you need to service. You will typically find a round dust cap. Gently twist this cap counterclockwise to remove it. In some cases, you might need a 10mm socket to unbolt and slightly move the entire headlight assembly for better access. With the cap off, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Next, either unclip the retaining wire that holds the bulb in place or twist the bulb itself counterclockwise to release it. Gently pull out the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base. Never touch the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Once the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector. Before putting everything back together, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Finally, replace the dust cap by twisting it clockwise until snug and reattach any headlight assembly components you may have moved. Double-check that all parts are secure for a safe drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.